y'all, welcome back to my channel where we only give them a dose and never the whole thing. If you're new here, my name is Daria, and if you're returning, girl, what's up? My bad, I've been on the hiatus, but I got a little excuse. The last vlog, I was in Jacksonville, but it was a little choppy, so instead of giving y'all BS, I just decided not to post it because it was only gonna be like 6 minutes. And then I got sick the next week, so I couldn't record because I ain't have no voice. So now we back. I'll make sure that I record this weekend because I'm back in Jacksonville with my bestie for the restie. And yeah, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, and your girl is back. Now come turn up with me. But yeah, right now we just about to go to the store because my bestie, that y'all gonna see in a minute, she just gotta get something from the store. Probably finna go to the mall. Yeah, we're probably going to the mall. And then we ain't really got nothing to do for real besides tonight. We're going to like a art expo. So that's gonna be fun. So yeah, but I'm about to go downstairs because y'all already know she making a drink. So let's get the shenanigans started. I got too rich, fuck screaming, that's my best friend.
Tastes like I had a little bit of
Bartender herself.
Oopsie.
My bartender, uncertified bartender.
Hands are certified. Perfect.
Yours might be perfect, but we're gonna see if mine is. Cool.
That's yours.
Let's see. Taste. Getting better. No strongness.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the scary part.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're right. Part 2 of. No, yesterday was chill, so I can't eat it.
Yeah, yesterday was like a little warm up. We had a little chill day. Good eats, good vibes, good sleep to get ready for today.
And the rest of the days ahead, because, yeah.
Yeah, it's really.
I gotta get away from you, because you got me folding every single thing. It's pissing me off.
I'm glad that I have inspired her to do right.
I'm sick of it. I'm in your bathroom, like, when I watch dry my hands off, I'm like, just fold it down. I'm like, oh my God.
That's exactly how I use a napkin. I got the real cocoa butter. Is that the 100% cocoa butter?
I don't think so.
Okay. I want like a cocoa butter stick. The OG stuff. Let me see. Okay. Some good water. Trying to get my This should last me a good amount of time.
I do shit called working here. That's what I damn need. Working hands, because I'm a working woman. Damn.
I love Cetaphil stuff. It works really good for me. Okay. This is all I need right now. Should have everything. I got like a cocoa butter thing, but nobody ever sells like the real stick no more.
I don't never see that.
Girl, I'll tell you, put it on your black spots and stuff. It works amazing. Okay. I'm gonna start getting travel stuff and pack like a little travel bag for my job that I can just throw every time into my
Instead of getting your own,
your
home
I
stuff.
brought my big stuff. Like, starting out some need. I want some Vicks just because this was the one time I needed Vicks and didn't have it at the house the other day.
So this side, I think. Well, no, that's big for sure.
So
His name.
Rub. Where's the real Vicks?
That's why I say that's the offering.
Vapo Steam.
And look at they done changed the fuck up.
Everybody is grown too old for the OG stuff. I don't understand.
Inflation. They can't eat it for it.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do what's it going? Chihuahua, all depends.
If I had a man, he would get, why the fuck is this shit making a mark on my face? If I had a man, he would get a hat. But
Yeah, they both said they're going. So they're going 4 p.m.
it's real shit. I think they done got me here.
Maybe I should have a
Toast. I don't. This one smells so good. It never goes to. That's the vanilla bean.
This is the first time I've ever liked the way somebody's vanilla smells.
That was good.
Usually it smells disgusting.
What's it going? Chihuahua, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
As y'all can see, we at Trap House Chicken in Jack's, and I've been meaning to come here for like forever, like a couple months. We finally came. I just know it's about to be good. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. But I'll get back to y'all when the food comes out, because I hope I remember, because I'm ready to chow the fuck down.
It worked.
It looks so good.
Location unknown.
My skin is getting better, so that's a plus. I got my eyebrows done and I'm looking so good. But yeah, my skin looks good. It's getting better. I'm trying to get the baby butt face with no dark marks, no texture, because I'm always have my big old pores. But yeah, this Ninja Turtle movie so loud. But yeah, I'll come back when the food gets here. Sandwich, yeah, lemon pepper flavored. Yes, stop yelling. Let me turn it down.
A rib? I got one rib so I could try it. And some wings. We got everything to see what everything tastes like.
It's the sexy red wings.
So next time we come, we're
Spicy
gonna
lemon pepper. And the
Baby,
side
let me
chick,
go, because she's vlogging.
sweet Asian.
Let me go, because Daria is vlogging.
And we got a stuffed cheesecake.
You heard me,
Ready.
baby?
Good drinks, good vibes. So we back at the house. Trap House Chicken, 10 out of 10. Baby, go there. Like, oh man, I've been putting it off. But chef kiss, baby. Then after that we went to Hop Tinker, got a drink too. Nothing too crazy, because we still got to this bitch. But yeah, we had a drink or two, so we got shit to do tonight. So nothing too crazy. But it's nap time, as y'all can already tell. Mine is low. My stomach is poking at. And it's time to go. It's time to get nap. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we getting ready for our next adventure. Bye. I forgot I got some shoes and a candle for Bath and Body Works. Well, the shoes from Windsor and candle from Bath and Body Works. Wait, I'm gonna show you the shoes. These purple ones. Nothing too great. I don't feel like taking my drugs. And then I got this candle. Salted grapefruit, sure. It's not too grapefruity. It's not too grapefruity. So that's good, because I didn't want all that. Like I said, about to take a nap, so I'll see y'all later. I'm back. YouTube, I got on clothes, okay? Yeah, that nap, never took it. Never took it. I've been in here watching a movie, and I've been cracking up, so I didn't get no nap. So hopefully, I still be rolling by the end of this night. But yeah, I just got out the shower. About to finish getting ready. So my bestie won't be waiting on me. But right now, I'm watching Joanna Man. If you know, you know. But yeah, I feel great. These eyebrows are giving. My skin looks pretty good. I just washed my face, so if it's dry, that's why, okay? But yeah, it's already growing back. Yeah, I'm about to continue getting ready, lotion up, and come back when I'm dressed. Or you probably see me in between. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Jamal, please. I'm fairly certain I can get you an arbitration hearing, but until then, I need you to keep a low profile. That's all.
Okay, all right.
You can do that.
I can do that. All right, keep a low profile, I promise. Damn, you gonna have a heart attack if you keep that shit up. I'm telling you.
Hold up, little girl. Let me tell you something. You know what? You are one tall glass of water, and I'm telling you straight up, I'm thirsty.
What the hell are you?
You don't know who I am, do you?
No, I don't know who you are. Who are you?
There's Firestone. Watch the Firestone tie. Ha ha.
Oh, really? Well, you can sing back up for me right now. Just back right on there. Thank you very much, Mr. Pepper. But I'll be able to have to go.
Drive careful now, baby. Because you are definitely a special cargo.
We're back in reverse. Yeah. Let me know if I'm in it. Okay. I am?
For sure.
Yikes.
Bless up, 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 bless up. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs.
People do that. That's my best sweet. That's my best day. We drunk as a skunk. Continue the night. It's always a vibe in the night. Oh, motherfucking phone. Good drink. You said what?
Good drinks, Patron margaritas.
Yeah, heavy-handed. That's my motherfucking twin, as y'all can see. My twin. We done got a ride.
Oh,
Hey, y'all.
they got a lot going on tonight. Oh, that's where y'all at?
Yeah, so you jump and go to all the different places.
Oh, okay. I'm down.
Good drink.
I mean, I'm doing the concert.
Good vibes.
I'm ready with some
Big food.
I'm looking forward to ride. Where y'all from?
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 do.
What we need? Cranberry juice and pineapple juice?
Your drink? I mean, your phone drink. Okay. My titties out, but we came, we saw, we conquered. Wait a minute. Yo! What they say? Listen, girl, it's time for you to get mad. Set aside the bullshit. I'm a grown ass man. Bedroom. You know what you see? Preach. back. Shake that asshole. Shake that asshole. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I can't do this. A little nip show for the first time of all night. The nipples are showing. That's crazy. And yeah, like, at least we at the house. I'm sorry. The nips are showing, guys. So we gotta keep them pulled up. If that's the thing.
Was that your sandwich or my dad?
It's mine, baby. It's on my
I knew he
food.
wasn't gonna finish.
No, I really thought he was gonna take that bit to work. I was praying to myself. I was like, please don't take that bit to work. Please.
I thought it was his. Cause I was like, I just know he didn't finish his sandwich.
I thought he was gonna take that bit to work. Not even gonna cap with you.
Alright.
This shit
I'm back in
tight.
a relationship as of right now.
Okay.
Just drink some more.
You heard what she said. Say it again.
No.
Cut the cameras. That now, bitch.
That's good.
Let's drink some more. That's exactly what she said. I've been carrying this goddamn bag like it was something fresh in this motherfucker. It's nothing but trash. And who let me do it? She did. I just want everybody to know that you the problem. You the problem.
I didn't let you do nothing but
You
stay
did.
black and die.
I ain't dead yet. We're gonna get this right, bartender.
No, I'm not the bartender. It's your turn.
My turn.
Yes.
Can't believe it.
I can.
Where?
Or what?
She's trying to make me get us drunk. But it's okay. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Fuck it, we Bob. I'm at the bartender. Ooh,
I don't even know.
and I can see, probably not, but we back from the night. It's like 2 a.m. I done took my shower. Nobody go to bed. But I'm gonna say we gotta get up in the morning. But it's already morning. It's like almost 2:30. But we gotta be gone by 9. I think. Maybe 9:20. I don't know. Like my girl Kayshawn said, this is some apple juice. I got me a cup of apple juice. And we're about to drink this apple juice for the rest of the night. Tonight was cool. We ain't too tired. But man, my bestie got apple juice. But I'm about to go mess with her before I go to bed. So hold on.
Girl, what?
Please get up.
Get up. You need to turn down. Why could you turn up like this?
Can you get up?
Hi. Hey, camera. Hey,
Where your
vlog.
apple juice?
My apple juice.
It's your apple juice.
That's not apple juice.
It's apple juice.
It's not apple juice.
It's apple juice. For the kids that may be watching, it's apple juice.
Hey, kids. Hey, kitty kids.
Bitch, please. Apple juice on deck.
It's not apple juice.
Patron
kids.
on ice.
Ice.
We gonna pop bottles. Cause we can have
Yeah,
whatever we
you
like.
Say you can have whatever you like.
Yeah. But, anywho's, I'm about to go to B-E-D. I'm about to go to bed. Because we got to be some working women in the morning. We got to volunteer. I don't know if I described it, but it's a whole, like, it's called Think Bold. It's like a whole weekend, like, with entrepreneurs and stuff like that. But, like, the speakers are tomorrow, well, today, because it's like 2 a.m. But they got a whole bunch of speakers with different, like, categories from, like, tech, from real estate, stocks, investor, like, all type of stuff, which I'm interested in. So we're going to see all of those. And, yeah. But I gotta read. I'm about to drink my apple juice. And we just gonna vibe out for the night. Watch a movie and gonna be sleep soon. So I'll catch y'all later. I don't think I said this though in my beginning of my video. Make sure to come talk to me on my socials at A Dose of Daria on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Especially Instagram. Go like my picture that I just posted. Thank you. Yeah, do that. And yeah, have a good night. Because I'm going to have a good night. Goodbye. Thank you. Good morning. We're back. And I look like a whole university tour guide. But it's cool, though. It's cool. But we up early, surprisingly. But, ooh, my eyebrow itch. But, please grab it. But, we don't volunteer until like 10:30. So, we just about to go. This girl.
Right before I was ready to take my nap, ask about some soap.
I'm dead.
You gotta tell me that again, or wait earlier.
Bam. Look how these looking. Big volunteers. So, yeah, the fit is not giving. It's giving very much volunteer. So we're not even gonna show that. But it's cool. We about to grab something to eat and we shall see what this day takes us. So I'll catch y'all later. Yeah, the vibes have definitely changed. The outfit wasn't giving the same person last night.
I got my seat up like this.
Yo, see,
All up on this dashboard.
girl, nobody sits over there.
I didn't have
but
no
my
shit like that.
my damn bitch.
I'm just saying.
Whatever.
Well, what led me personally was I was sort of given a gentle push by our lovely president and CEO. We had a property management line of business which needed more attention and more developing. And so she tasked me, and I went kicking and screaming, but I had to develop it pretty much from scratch, learning all of the processes and making sure that I was receiving the education that was needed and required to do my job successfully. And although I faced a couple of challenges, sometimes in a male-dominated industry and dealing with the contractors and the workers of not respecting my opinion and standing on it, it forced me to be greater and build my knowledge so that I could talk with confidence and dispute them appropriately.
Try being pregnant at 15 and having your first child at 16 and being on a city bus, traveling back and forth on a city bus, and I'll never forget, they had a teenage pregnancy prevention campaign, and the poster said the child on the left, meaning the baby, would graduate before the child on the right. So therefore, the message there was that if you were a teenage mother, that you would never graduate from high school. And I knew that that was not our story, that our narrative, but I knew I had to be innovative, right? But at the same time, first I had to finish high school. That was number one. But as I transitioned from there, I did the non-traditional route. I worked first and then I went to school much later. But my love for community and what I wanted my community to look like, I knew that I had to do something innovative. And so as we transitioned and I went to work for Wealth Watchers, y'all, it's no politically correct to say this, we ain't have no money. So you talk about being in an industry that, number one, is not only led by males, but also led by Caucasians that are in our communities making decisions. And so I had to prove that my love for my community would allow me to be innovative enough to create a community where everyone will want to live. And so here we are 16 years later, and Wealth Watchers is a multi-million-dollar company, and we are doing some amazing things in the community. but it started out, I knew that I had to do better.
No, you find out in the process of setting the pace. If it doesn't exist, create it. Pitfalls, risk, no matter what. From a teenage mother to someone who knew she had to do something different in order to cross over to dominate in another part of the industry. You know, but there's a commonality here, right? Don't let anything stand in your way. What piece of bold advice would you give some of our women sitting in the audience?
Be the change. Be the change you wish to see in the world. If it's not accommodating you in what your desire is in life, create it. Believe in it. And never stop working toward it. In other words, ladies, don't talk about it. Be about it. Be about it.
One of the things that they share is that you have to see yourself having already done it. You have to, that is the manifestation. You have to envision yourself in that space, in that room, making that decision, leading that business. You have to see yourself as if you've already done it. And my second would be, I know we work together, but I think this is very important because we deal with so many things physically, emotionally, socially, our family. I think it's very important that, you know, rest, but don't quit. Just rest, but don't quit.
There's not enough women who are the owner or the CEO, and I'd like to see more of that, but I do work with like the Women's Business Center, and then there's more women in, you know, some of the smaller segmentations. But, you know, think bolder in what your dream is. I think as women in society just hasn't caught up where, you know, we're given like task oriented even to our toys and just other, STEAM's helping with that, right? But the ladies up here, like, you know, if you're passionate about, you know, the etiquette and helping women, you know, be more confident, like she started her own business and has her own brand around it, you know, instead of just doing hair, like she has this whole brand and it's huge, right? The stuff that she's doing with the hair and being the first with the texture she saw on me, like that's money when you see a problem and you're the first to it's huge, right? You create a non-linear income. You're not just turning heads where you can only get paid by every head. There's a limit to that. But but you're selling your hair everywhere, you know, that money's coming in and you're not even at that store, you know, so just, and then the ladies, you know, owning their own wealth firm, not just being an advisor or guidance or just a coach, like you have your own brands around it where you can have non-linear income.
Well, as a CFO, I'm gonna come at it from facts and figures. Will you go and find what your passion is? Go find somebody that's doing it or that's along the same lines, and find more than one person and engage them as being mentors and educating yourself and learning so that you can be the best at whatever it is you decide to do. And understand that although there may be setbacks, it's not the end. You always look positive because your journey is your journey and it's no one else's.
My first advice is fail, because you're not going to appreciate real success until you've experienced real failure. So don't be afraid to fail and fail fast. My last piece of advice is don't look for the seat at the table. Build a table, and if you don't have the lumber to build a table, bring your chair. But be in the place. Make yourself known and be present. And the last thing is, whatever you do, take it to completion.
So this is something that I think is extremely important when we think about business and networking, is to look across, see how you can build with somebody on the same level as you, see how you can build with people in your community. And that's really what we have done. Like, you know, me and Troy, we are the face of the brand, but there's a lot of other people in our company, and pretty much we all grew up together. We all from the same neighborhood, a lot of relatives. These are people that we knew our whole entire lives. So it's like, if we're gonna work with somebody, we might as well work with people that we know. A lot of people say don't do business with family, but my motto is only do business with family. Like, you know, I feel like, for me, like, my sister is my personal assistant. Like, I can trust my sister. I'd rather pay her to stimulate her economy and she can help stimulate my economy. Of course, you can't do business with all family members, but that's like anything in life. You gotta make decisions, right?
Bestie. You know what we headed to. On to the liquor.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Don't got the motherfucking trap jumping. Doors to the trap open, I say something. Hell nah, don't ask, I ain't frontin' nothing.
You never know that I love it. Let me hear you tell me you love me. Let me hear you say you never leave me. You tell me you want me. Let me hear you say you'll never leave me, baby.
As y'all can see, I'm back at the house. Ooh, my age. Last week was at the cigar lounge and my hair smells like smoke. So we'll have to fix that later. But yeah, I just got a shower and stuff. So I'm about to go to bed because I'm really tired. I done ate. Oh my God. Okay. But yeah, I done ate. I'm about to watch me a movie. Yeah. I don't know what tomorrow gonna consist of because it's gonna be Sunday. Well, it's Sunday already. But I don't know what it's gonna consist of. But I haven't had a time. As y'all can see, I am tired. My eyes are low. I need to slash these lashes off. It's been a great weekend. As always, I always have a great time when I'm here. I'll be taken care of when I'm here. So it's always a great time. This is my second home, basically. But yeah. Oh, I'm just discombobulated right now. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Day, whatever. We're back with the shenanigans. This is a mess. We shall see where today takes us. But yeah.
Hey, baby, I don't wanna see you weep. Can't love you, I love these streets.
I just pop out and go find some more. As soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. It's like the air, I'm everywhere.
Me came from the apartment with shit.
Hoes wanna hate, yeah, what's up, bitch? You had to trade me with the man, I treat you like shit. They got their money, audio ain't shit. If we hoe, here I go, treat the hoe like shit. Well, my name is Susie and Gucci think I love her. Put all the ballers, I be at all the spots. I might be in your kitchen, nigga, cooking with your pot. Nigga, you don't love me, nigga, you don't love me, nigga, you don't love me.
Good eats. Or show. There you go. cabbage. Jerk chicken. Okay. Mac and cheese. All right, y'all. I made it back home. I really been home for like a couple hours. I went to sleep and I guess I'm about to go to work. So that's gonna be the end of the vlog. But I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come talk to me on my socials at A Dose of Daria. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.